Comment yes if y'all want to see. I don't know. Let me check first because there might be some crazy stuff in here. Who was that? Who was what? Shadow Warrior. What Shadow Warrior? What are you talking about? Oh, it's nothing bad in here. There's no trash or nothing. Thank you. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and go and see what's in here, y'all, because I make sure my bath's cleaned out for tomorrow. Can you go throw it away? Okay. Alright, y'all, so first, y'all, look. This hand sanitizer smells so good, y'all. This is a spray-on hand sanitizer. I like the spray-on better than the rub-on. I don't know why, but I don't know. It's just not as oily as like the regular hand sanitizer, I think. It is 1:16 p.m. over here. At the way. Thank you, love. And I got my Carmex. I got my crusty, rusty, dusty AirPods in here. Y'all, these AirPods need some cleaning. But I got my AirPods. They're kind of dusty because they've been in my purse for a while. But those need to be clean. And then here's my other hand sanitizer, y'all. This is one I kind of least don't like. I like the smell of it, but I just like the spray on better. Just saying. Who cares? Just saying. Alright, then let's see what's in here. This is my luggage that I put stuff in. I got cough drops, y'all. Normal, right? Is that normal? I have Zamora's keychain in here. Huh, go throw this away. Thank you. Okay. Have my eye. Oh, I wish I had some mascara because I could wear this tomorrow. It's 11:17 for me. Okay, so I'm like 2 hours ahead of you. Okay. I need some mascara so bad because I could use my eyeliner pencil and my eyes are... Oh my God. Okay, no, don't get me started. Just don't get me started, okay? These were going to be the eyelashes I wore on my birthday, but they're so long, I don't see myself seeing through these eyelashes. I just don't. My eyelashes would be no eyelash because I would rip them off in the middle of the day. But here it is.
Let me see. That's crazy.
So yeah, I'll put all this back in here. I'm not gonna put that in there. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna put that in there though. Nope. So that's really nothing. Where do you live? I live in Illinois. Where do you guys live?
Oh, these some fishes. Oh, you can drop food down. That's cool.
Alright, so I also have like little... So Zay's sister gave this to us, and I have put it in my purse when we go places. I can like... No, can you stop, please? Can you stop? No, ma'am. Go over there. Go that way and play. Thank you. So I have this book, and I need coloring pencils, but she colored a few pages already in here. So pretty, y'all. Look at these. But I would love to like just be able to do it, so, like when we're riding down the road, and you know, it's just really nothing to do in the car. That's why I carry this in my purse, and then I just need to get coloring pencils, y'all. Alright, these are all my doctor papers. That's why I need to keep a hold of these. I need to keep these up. Here's my planner I was telling y'all about. I think, was it this video? I think it was the last video. But I have all my doctor information. All my information right here. I can't really show too much. Huh. You can't play with my papers, Johnny. And then all my dates and stuff, y'all. So I try. Oh, Zay, can you fix my thing?
Huh?
Could you fix my thing?
Did I take it?
I said, could you fix it? Look, they're all coming out.
Oh, yeah, I can fix that. I can fix it. But, hey.
Huh. You live in Cali? Oh my gosh, y'all. I would love to go to Cali. Huh?